Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a crucial upgrade for Dell PowerEdge servers, the ATEC 32GB, 2x16GB, DDR4 ECC unbuffered RAM kit. Specifically designed for the R240, R340, T140, and T340 models, this memory promises to breathe new life into your system. If you're running any of these PowerEdge servers, you know that memory is often the bottleneck. The ATEC kit arrives as a straightforward solution. It's a 32GB kit comprising two 16GB modules. These are DDR4 2400 MHz sticks, also known as PC4-19200, operating at the standard 1.2V. The fact that it's ECC unbuffered memory is vital for server applications, ensuring data integrity and system stability. Installation is designed to be user-friendly. ATEC emphasizes a quick and easy install, something most users can handle at home. Of course, always refer to your server's manual for the correct seating and channel configurations. The benefits of upgrading are immediately noticeable. More RAM translates to improved multitasking, smoother operation of demanding applications, and an overall snappier system. For servers handling multiple users or running resource-intensive tasks, this upgrade is a must-consider. ATEC also backs its memory modules with a limited lifetime warranty, which speaks volumes about their confidence in the product. Plus, they offer tech support, which is reassuring if you encounter any issues during installation or operation. In short, the ATEC 32GB DDR4 ECC unbuffered RAM kit is a solid choice for Dell PowerEdge users looking to boost their server's performance and reliability. It's easy to install, offers a significant performance boost, and comes with the peace of mind of a lifetime warranty.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.